Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Retro bonded leather office chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad, backrest, a pair of arms, mechanism, gas strut, 5 casters, 5-star base, 1 Allen key, 4 22mm bolts, 4 30mm bolts and 8 30mm bolts. The bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Attach the mechanism to the seat base, making sure the arrow on the mech is pointing to the front of the seat, and secure using the 4 22mm bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Now to attach the arms. Line the arm brackets up with the holes in the seat pad and secure using 4 30mm bolts. Do not fully tighten the bolts until all the bolts for that arm are inserted. Repeat on the other side. Each arm is marked underneath with left or right stickers to indicate if they go on the left or right of the chair. Next, position the backrest bracket onto the mechanism like this. Secure using 4 of the 30mm bolts. Do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it. Your new retro bonded leather office chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.